Hello students, I hope you all are good. I am Swati Sharma, your English teacher, and I welcome you all to the video course of St. Joseph's Academy. Today, we will study chapter number 2, the sentence, part 1. So students, let us begin. Students, can you all identify the given picture? Yes, very good. This is a camel. And what more do you know about it? It is called a ship of the desert. Very good, students. So let us look at the given sentences. Students, these sentences are formed by using different words and arranging them in a proper sequence. See the word camel. See the words. This is a camel. So we have arranged these words in a proper order. Now students, let us read the points. Point number 1. When we speak or write, we do that as a group of words. So students, while speaking, we use a group of words, and when we write something, we write a group of words together to form a sentence. Point number 2. When a group of words makes a complete sense, it is known as a sentence. Now, point number 2 means when a group of words makes a complete sense or a meaning. So, if there is a group of words, if there are some words, and after you read those words, it makes a complete sense or you get a meaning after reading the given words. So, in that case, it is known as a sentence. For example, if I say, I am your English teacher, so you will always understand that I teach you English. So it makes a sense, a complete sense. So it is a sentence. Now students, let us look at the definition given below. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. So students, if there is a group of words which makes a complete sense, it is known as a sentence. I repeat the definition. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Now students, let us go through the rules of formation of sentences. Now let us look at the points given here. Point number 1. A sentence must always begin with a capital letter. For example, lotus is our national flower. So, look at the first word lotus. It begins with a capital letter. So, we all can see that a sentence always begins with a capital letter. So, students, keep one thing in your mind. Whenever you write a sentence, always start it with a capital letter. Now, let us look at point number 2. The words used in the sentence must be in their proper order. So, students, when we are writing some words together to make a sentence, the words should be in a proper order. For example, we should write lotus is our national flower, and if we write flower national is lotus hour, then it would not be correct because the order is not proper. So, we have to write the words in their proper order. Now, let us move to the third point. Punctuation marks such as full stop, question mark, and exclamation mark must be used at the end of the sentence. So students, we should use the punctuation mark such as full stop, question mark or exclamation mark at the end of the sentences, at the end of each sentence. So now let us look at some of the examples given below. Example number 1. The computer is a wonderful invention of science. So, after completing this statement, we have placed a full stop. Let us again look at the given example. The computer is a wonderful invention of science. Full stop. I hope you all can see a full stop after the word science. Yes, students, we always place a punctuation mark at the end of the sentence. Now let us look at the second example. Where do you live? Question mark. Students, this sentence is asking a question. Where do you live? So we will put a question mark at the end of any question. So here also, because the sentence is asking a question, so we have put a question mark. Now let us look at example number 3. What a beautiful dress. Students, here the sentence tells us that the dress is beautiful. So we are expressing our feelings. So this is an exclamatory sentence. So after a exclamatory sentence, we always put an exclamation mark. I repeat, what a beautiful dress! Exclamation mark. So students, look at example 1, 2 and 3 once again. See, after completing the sentence, we have placed a punctuation mark at the end of each sentence. So we can say, we should always use a punctuation mark at the end of the sentence. Now let us move to the fourth point. A verb is necessary to make complete sense. Let us look at the example given below. Dogs bark at the strangers. So after reading the statement, we come to know that dogs, the animal dog, they bark at the strangers. They bark at the people they do not know. So bark is showing the action. So bark acts as a verb in the given sentence. And a verb is necessary to make a complete sense. I repeat, a verb is necessary to make complete sense. So you should write a sentence having a verb with it. So students, now we are done with the part 1 of the chapter. I hope you have enjoyed this session. See you soon in another video. Till then, keep studying and be safe. Thank you.